let's take a minute and discuss the role of digital evidence in divorce and custody cases. So digital evidence is really kind of anything on your phone, metadata, maybe emails, all of these, the social media posts, these sorts of things, it's all going to be digital evidence. Anything you get off a computer or a phone is going to be digital evidence. Now, a lot of digital evidence can sink you in a divorce, right? Which is why you shouldn't text horrible things to your soon-to-be ex. But it can also really help you. So we've used digital evidence, Google Calendars, email, so on and so forth, to prove how much time our clients have with their kids. So the other party will say, no, they never see their kids. And you're like, nope, I have a Google Calendar of the exact overnights that I've had over the last 6 months. And I have text messages about this. And I have emails in which we've discussed this sort of thing. So we do that quite often. Money as well. Many times people say, oh, I've been cut off from all of the money. You say, no, here are text messages showing that I pay you $2,000 a month. And we've had these conversations over the last 6 months or a year. We can use all of these things on the pro side. So it can sink you, but we also use it quite a bit on the pro side. So all of these things are considerations in divorce. It's very, very important. Digital evidence probably accounts for, I'd say, at least 50% of all evidence that we're giving to the judge or the commissioner in court. So very important stuff to talk about with your attorney, very important stuff to organize before you ever come meet an attorney. So maybe in your initial consultation, you organize it. It's very important stuff to share with your attorney as you're going through the litigation process. So yeah, it's almost more important than any other sort of evidence that you have in your divorce, with the possible exception of finances.